Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a refund on Vinted. So first of all, you need to come on vinted.co. Over here, you need to simply log in into your account. If you are using the Vinted application, make sure that you are logged into your account. Then click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner and click on the option of My Orders. Now here you need to click on the all option and you will see all of the orders that you have placed on Vinted. You need to select that particular order which you want to basically refund, and here you need to select I have an issue account, and you need to choose the reason that item not as described or not arrived. You will be asked to provide the photos and the proof if needed, so you need to provide those and click on the submit option. Vinted will contact the seller, and if they don't respond, Vinted may step in and give you a refund through your original payment method. If you face any kind of problems while getting your refund, I would highly recommend you to contact to the Vinted customer support team. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.